Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 6, that is safety and first aid. In the yesterday's lecture or in the previous lecture, we had discussed about the wounds, that several types of injury we get and how we will get the first aid, like animal bite, snake bite, and from other type of things are also there, that is sprain and fractures are there. Now today we are going to discuss about the wound, that if we get wounded at some cut is there, then how we will behave. So there are two types of wound or cut we can consider, that is a minor and the deeper. So minor means a small cut on the surface, and deeper means it will go deep. It will cut the all the layers of skin and it will go deep in the muscles or to the bone. So here when the wound is minor, means there is no too much pain or too much bleeding is there. So in this case what we are doing, we are washing the area, wounded area, with soap and water. Why with soap and water? To clean the germs from that area, because we all know that germs are present everywhere. So make it germ free, we are using water and soap. So after using water and soap, we are applying some antiseptic lotion like Borolene or Boroplus on that area. Then we are applying a bandage. If bleeding is there, we are applying a bandage on that area. And if some pain is also there, we can use ice on that area. So these are the treatment for a minor wound. Now comes the deeper wound. If the wound gets more deeper and it will hurt a lot, then what are the steps we have to take? So simple. First of all, we have to wash the wound with soap and water, and we have to observe that from which type of material we get this wound or cut. From any rusted iron or dirty materials are there. If rusted iron or dirty materials are there, so what we have to do, we have to put some antiseptic cream or lotion and then straight go to the doctor and ask for a anti-tetanus injection, or you can say tet-vac, anti-tetanus injection, or you can ask tet-vac. Okay, so this injection is very necessary to avoid the infection in the wound. Not only infection, that is a disease called tetanus. To avoid this tetanus thing, we have to get this tet-vac injection. And there is a bandage called tourniquet. There is a type of bandage which is called tourniquet. We have to wrap that bandage on this place and a little bit pressure should be there to stop the bleeding. So to stop the bleeding, we have to apply pressure, and we have to tie that wounded area with the help of a tourniquet. Now, so these are the part which is left yesterday, that is the wounded, that is the wounds. Now we are going to discuss the next part, that is the important definitions for this chapter. So first one is fracture. What is a fracture? A broken bone. A broken bone is called a fracture. Suppose this bone is there and if it is broke from here, so it is called a fracture. Next word is sprain. So suppose this wrist is there, so somehow it will get twisted here. So this wrist is twisted or the ankle is twisted. So this type of twisting means there will be a pain. I'm not able to use this wrist. Okay, if it is twisted somehow, then there will be a pain. It will swallow up and I'm not able to use it. So this is called, the condition is called sprain. Here we need a bandage to help me to cure this sprain. We need to do this first thing. So whatever sprain means, a twist in the wrist or ankle is called sprain. Next is tourniquet, we just now discussed that a light bandage that helps to apply pressure on the wounded area to stop bleeding. This is called a tourniquet. Next is fire extinguisher. So a simple device which is used to extinguish fire. Next is first aid. So what is first aid? First aid is the immediate help to the injured person before the arrival of proper medical help. Before the arrival of proper medical help, the immediate help given to the injured person before arrival of the proper medical help is called first aid. The next word after first aid is sling. So sling is a bandage or a triangular cloth pattern which is wrapped in the neck and to help the broken bone or the injured bone support. So this is a triangular type of cloth which is wrapped or looped around the neck to help this injured arm or injured bone. So class, these are the important points which you have to remember from this chapter. I hope you are able to understand. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.